Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how you can apply for the STIpendium HUNGARICum Scholarship, which allows you to study for free here in Hungary, Central Europe, for any kind of program in any university here in Hungary which you would like. So first of all you need to do is to register on the website, which I will put the link down in the description box. And after registering, you will start to apply for your dream schools and programs. After you apply for your programs and schools in the website, you need to submit your documents on the website. They will go through a technical check, and after you pass through the technical check, this will take around a month, and the opening of the scholarship application starts on November 15th. So you have a month for you to upload the documents, and the deadline is on January 15th, if I'm not wrong, and that's the deadline for you to have uploaded the document on their website. After you upload the documents, you will receive an email saying if they pass the technical check, which is not that hard. So after January 15th, you need to go to your sending partner. This is the organization back in your country where they will appoint or they will nominate the chosen slots. Back in my country, they had 200 slots, and now they had to select the 200 slots since a lot of people had applied for the scholarship. And they will call you for an interview depending on each country. Others will do an online interview, but as for my country, it was a physical interview. We had to go to the Ministry of Education office. We did the interviews, they asked the questions, they nominated the winners, and I was among the nominees. And after this, the application was sent forward to the school, where now we could start doing the next process, which after you get nominated, this is around the end of January. Your application is forwarded to the school that you chose, the first and the second choices, since you have two choices to apply in the website. And the school I chose, the University of Debrecen, is the first one, and the University of Seminary is the second one. So I had to do entrance exams according to the program that I chose. And also for you, it depends on the program that you want to apply. So check if it requires an entrance exam. So mine had one. The school, at around March, I received an email saying about the details about the entrance exam and all of that stuff, how I'm going to do it, when I'm going to do it. And I did my entrance exam on April. It also required an oral interview to test my English proficiency and the process that I did to do my entrance exam. So I did my oral interview 2 days after the entrance exam. That was in April 5th. And it wasn't that hard. I did mathematics and biology. This also depends on the course that you want to take. So if it's something related to medicine, you'll have biology, anything chemistry and all that stuff, you'll have to do chemistry. So after you pass the entrance exam, the school sends you the letter of acceptance, and as well as the Tempus Public Foundation. They gave us the letter of awardee showing that all my medical insurance, the tuition fee and the monthly stipend is covered for, and the accommodation too. So I received my letter of acceptance and the letter of awardee, which will help me go to the next step. The next step was the visa process, which required the letter of acceptance, letter of awardee to show that all your financial care is catered for by the scholarship. And I went and applied for the visa back in my country. So I'll make another video about the visa process. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video if it was helpful. I'll upload more videos detailed on this scholarship. Make sure to follow up on my videos. I'll be posting related stuff, mostly regarding the StipendiUm HUNGARICum Scholarship. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section, and I will be really glad to help you out. See you in Hungary soon.